heavy rain. You can already see the water was eating itself through the street.
There's just a lot of water coming in one area, so it caused all of this. And I think the way it needs to be built, not only like this, but it needs to be a bit tilted, so the water goes on a little bit on every section of the road, not only one part, which is in the middle now. The other part that the Sindicato did was this area here, which is much closer to the house. But you can see that this area did not put the tuba on, and it's already like making a lot of mud.